What it do, gang? Back with another video, man. If you're just not tuning in, make sure you hit that bell at the top. Make sure you turn your notifications on so you'll get posted every time, or you get notified every time I post one of these videos, man. Hold on, I gotta change the setting on this camera. There we go, man. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, I am in the Audi, man. This is the last time. You want me to let you do it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna just straighten it up for you.
Reverse.
Yeah, all right. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, this is the last time I'm gonna be in the Audi, man. The Audi is sold. It's going home to a new owner, man. And I'm no longer the owner of it. Hold on, I'm trying to get it right so my man can, what he put? Alright, hold on. Alright. I'm gonna let you take it from there, man. I gotta get my tag out the back. Yeah. But yeah, man, so I sold the Audi, man. I'm gonna make a whole nother video of why I sold it, man, and all that. But y'all know every time I sell a vehicle, I got something else coming, man. And I know y'all wanna know what I got coming, but I can't tell y'all just yet. Y'all just gonna have to tune in and see what I got coming, man. But just know, the next vehicle that hit this driveway is gonna be the one to stay. And I promise you, right? The vehicle that I got coming, bro, oh my God, it's finna change the game. And I promise y'all I'm not lying, man. I told a couple people what I got. Hold on, man. I gotta get this screwdriver so I can take my tag out the back. But yeah, man, I told a couple people, just a couple of what I had. But when I say a couple, man, I mean like maybe 2 or 3 people. You feel what I'm saying? At most. But don't nobody else know what I got, bro. Where's my screwdriver? Bro, I just had my screwdriver this morning, gang. Hold on. All right, man, but yeah, like I was saying though, the next vehicle that hit this yard, man, it's gonna be a game changer. And if y'all don't believe I sold the Audi, then y'all see it right there. It's getting loaded up. It's getting ready to go to its new owner. You feel what I'm saying? So, finna help them get it loaded up real quick, man. And after that, it's a story time. But again, I'll tell y'all why I sold it, what I'm getting next, and all that good stuff, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Well, yeah, man, so like I was saying, I sold the Audi, man. So right now, I'm finna go ahead and get it lined up on the truck, take it back to his new owner. And I want y'all to drop some comments down below and tell me what y'all think I got coming next. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all know me, man. You know, I'll say this, you know, that stays, yeah. Y'all know me, man, and I will just say this though. Being different is not always good, right? You feel what I'm saying? Being different is not always good. And with that being said, I'm gonna tell y'all, well actually I'm gonna wait until I get the new vehicle. And when I get the new vehicle, I'm gonna explain why I sold the Audi and why I got what I got coming. I ain't gonna lie though, man. That car fire. I can't lie. That is a nice car, right? And I bet y'all wondering like, well, James, well, Rob, if it's such a nice car, man, why you got rid of it? I'll tell y'all later, man. I'll tell y'all later. Yeah, see, I wasn't even gonna try to do this, man. I'm gonna let him do it. Let him do all that, man. I don't wanna be responsible for nothing. See, he got that thing going up on there, man. That car is nice though, man. I ain't gonna lie though, it was fun. It was fun when I had it, man. It was fun when I had it. But, you know what I'm saying? Again, I got something big and I got something better coming, man. I don't want y'all to, you know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all what I got coming just yet. It's a surprise, you feel what I'm saying? And I don't know. It's so much stuff going around me. I really want y'all to drop some comments down and tell me what y'all think I got. I feel like I just stepped in an ant bed, bro. But yeah, man, it's a nice day, man. It's a little cloudy though. But yeah, So gone, man. So look, I had to get thrown there real quick. But yeah, let's watch them get the auto loaded on up, man. And after that, the next video I drop on the channel, you're gonna see what the new delivery of the new car is, man. And then once you see what the new car is, I'm gonna explain to you why I sold it. So let's go ahead and get this up there, man. Let's see. He on the rear a little bit. Oh yeah, he on there. Yeah, he on there. See, man, I couldn't do nothing like this, man. You know, I'd be so scared to do this. I said, nah, man, I had to get out the driver's seat. I had to let him do it, cause let me see. Only thing, yeah, it'll clear. Yeah, it should be alright, man. And y'all never saw what the exhaust look like on this car. That's what the exhaust look like. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah. Gotta get that thing straightened out, man. You good, you good. Yeah. Oh, he on there. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Y'all see they got it on there real good, man. Look good. Let me see, man. Let me get a thumbnail real quick, gang. Alright, man. I'm gonna get a thumbnail real quick. Hold on, gang. And then I'm gonna let them have it, man. Yes, sir. Hold on. All right, man. As y'all can see, that's the last time y'all gonna see the Audi in my possession, man. And man, I cannot wait. I really cannot wait until I show y'all the new vehicle I got coming for the channel, man. And I know, man. They like, Rob, you can't never keep a car, man. Rob, you always selling this, man. You said, all right, man. So, yeah, my bad, you know. But yeah, I know y'all probably like, man, Rob, why you always selling this, man, selling that, man, and you know, why you always getting rid of the cars? You know, I ask myself that question, man, but you know what though? Every time I get rid of a car, I always come back with something better. You feel me? And man, I wish I can tell y'all so bad what I got right now. I really want to, man, with this surprise, man. It's a surprise. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. I really want y'all to drop some comments, man. Y'all drop some comments down below, man, and y'all tell me what y'all think I got. And I tell you what, y'all drop some comments, tell me what y'all think I got, and whoever got it right, cause it's gonna be, no, I ain't gonna say it's gonna be easy, I don't know, but whoever get it right, man, whoever get it right, on the next video, I'll send y'all, I'll get your cash out, and I'll send you a cash out amount. I don't know how much right now, I don't know. But yeah, y'all drop some comments, man. And the first person I see get it right, I'm gonna cash that them $100. Yeah, let's do that. The first person. Now let me say that again. The first person I see that get it right, not whoever dropped the right comment in the comment section. That's not what I said. I said the first person I see that get it right on this video, I shout your name. I'll get your cash out, and I'll cash up you $100. With that being said, man, meantime, between time, man, y'all make sure y'all share this video, like the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel, turn the bells on so you get notified every single time I drop one of these videos, man. And bro, be on the lookout for the next video, because the next video gonna be the video I drop on what I got next, bro. And I promise to God it's gonna be a game changer. So y'all stay tuned, man. We out.